Hey and welcome back to the Jazzy Nation. So in this video, I am doing a what I eat in a day video. Today's Friday and Fridays are a little bit different, which is why I thought it'd be kind of interesting for me to show you all what I eat. So it's gonna be a mix of healthy and a mix of something else because I actually don't know where we're gonna eat for dinner. So you don't know either. So that means you need to stay tuned and get really excited because I'm excited. Our meal already sort of prepared. So I make this granola, like I batch make my granola and keep it in the fridge so that when I want granola, it's already ready to go. So this is an apricot granola and I'm going to pair that with a banana and also some blueberries. I'm going to use this coconut milk. And then I'm gonna fill this up to the top with water. I like to drink water first, so let's get our water started. There, that should be enough. It has dried apricots in it, a little bit of honey, a little bit of brown sugar, and then I just add a few blueberries. It looks really pretty. Okay, so I've got my breakfast here and this is it. Like, it's super simple. It's really just like quick, which is what I need because I cannot fuss over breakfast during the week. And and it just hits the spot. This is so delicious and easy. So I'm gonna eat this and then I'm gonna come back for lunch. So it's noon now and of course I'm hungry again. What's new? Like, food is life and I love food. So we're gonna make lunch. I am thinking a little meaty, but a lot of vegetables. I'm gonna go see what we have in the kitchen and let's go whip something up. I am grabbing rice. I'm gonna be making like a makeshift burrito bowl, but without any tortilla stuff because I don't have any tortillas here. I like this kind of rice. It's got 3 different types of rice and it's from Carrefour. And so I'm gonna make 1 cup of rice. So I'm gonna do this twice because it's half a cup. I just turned this on and I'm gonna add some oil and a bouillon cube. All right, so these are the veggies we're gonna use. They're a little messy because I just finished cutting, but we've got a red pepper, cilantro, yellow pepper, and shallots. Actually, these are shallots instead of onions, and my eyes are watering like crazy, but that's the deal, and we're gonna cook up our turkey now. So this is what everything looks like. We've got our peppers and onions. We've got our ground turkey, which kind of looks like tofu, but it's not. Don't get it twisted. That is corn. We've got our rice steaming. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. And then some black beans that I just got out of a can, and I added a little bit of salt and some cumin. And we have some crème fraîche as well as some sriracha. Oh, and of course, we have some cilantro and some tomatoes to garnish on top. Okay, finally done. That took me maybe like 45 minutes or 30, 45 minutes. So it is an easy meal. I feel like if you strategize, cook your rice first, and then do everything else, you know, in a timely fashion. But this is what it looks like. Oh, it looks so good. I'm super excited to eat. Let's see what it tastes like. Oh my gosh, so good. And so spicy, but I like spicy food. This is like one of my favorite ways to eat food because I feel like it all ends up meshing together anyway, so why not just put it in a bowl? Right? I'm gonna go and finish this because I'm so hungry and it's absolutely delicious, but I'm going to come back, so don't think I'm leaving for good because we're going to dinner. You're coming with me to dinner. We usually go on date nights on Friday, so I'll see you later. This is what we got first, which is a milkshake, which maybe should have been after our meal, but we'll take it. We're at this restaurant. It's called Boca Chica. This restaurant is really cute. It's very Instagrammable, and it's like right along the beach. We've got our food. This is what his looks like, and it looks really good. You're gonna ruin it, so I can't take a video. And then this one is what mine looks like. I've got what's called the Boca Chica burger. It looks like coleslaw. You can see that. And then fries. This is what it looks like the aftermath. It's like really crumbly, but I think it's gonna be good because it looks really good. It just looks like a mess right now, so I'm having an epic meal right now. Okay.
It's not a burger.
I know it's not a burger. Do you eat your burgers with a fork and a knife? Because I right now do. It's okay. It's good. I'm ending my night off with a lollipop because they gave us lollipops at the restaurant, but I want to know from you all, if I do this video when we are in Tangier, where should we eat? I've got some suggestions from you all from the help me choose what we do in Tangier video, but in particular restaurants, leave them down below because I will film a what I eat in a day video in Tangier or something related to eating or whatever. Anyways, I'll see you all in the next video. Subscribe, of course, for good vibes and all that good stuff. Make sure you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.